Welcome to our channel.
Hey, can we chat for a moment? I've noticed that there's been some tension regarding household chores, and I think we should address it.
Yeah, I have been feeling a bit frustrated about that too. What's on your mind?
Well, it seems like we are not on the same page about who should be doing what around the house. I've noticed that I'm doing a lot more than my fair share of the chores lately. It's starting to feel unfair.
I understand where you're coming from, but I have also been doing my part. What specifically do you feel like you're doing more of?
It seems like I'm always the one taking out the trash, doing the dishes, cleaning the bathroom, vacuuming, and cleaning the common areas.
That's possible. I think it would help if we could sit down and make a list of all the chores that need to be done regularly, and then we can figure out a fair way to divide them up and rotate them weekly or bi-weekly. That way, no one feels overwhelmed.
Agreed. We can also set reminders or check in with each other regularly to make sure everything is getting done.
Great, let's do that. I think it'll help us maintain a cleaner and more harmonious living environment.
Definitely. Thanks for bringing this up, and I appreciate your willingness to work together on it.
Of course, communication is key in any roommate situation. Thanks for being open to resolving this. Let's make sure we're both on the same page moving forward.
Agreed. Hey, I noticed you're not feeling well. Is there anything I can do to help?
Thanks for asking. I have been feeling pretty under the weather lately. I think I caught a cold. My throat has been sore, and I can't stop coughing. Could you possibly help out with some of the household chores I usually do?
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of your share of the household chores until you're feeling better. Just focus on getting some rest.
That's really kind of you, but I don't want to burden you with extra work.
It's no trouble at all. We're roommates, and taking care of each other is part of the deal. Plus, I'd rather help out now than have you push yourself too hard and prolong your recovery.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your understanding and support.
Of course, anytime. If there's anything else you need, just let me know. And in the meantime, try to get some rest and take care of yourself.
Thanks again. I'll do my best to get better soon. Actually, could you grab me some cough drops and maybe some tea with honey?
Of course, I'll get that for you right away. Do you need anything else?
Maybe just a blanket and some tissues. Thanks for taking care of me.
No problem at all.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel.